Hi, excuse me. I think I missed my train.
Which train were you trying to catch?
The 6:20 Express to Green Valley.
Let me check. Yes, that train left a few minutes ago.
Oh no. Can I still use this ticket?
I'm afraid not. The ticket is valid only for that train.
That's disappointing. What are my options now?
You can either refund part of it at the counter or buy a new ticket.
When is the next train to Green Valley?
The next one is at 7 o'clock from platform 4.
Okay, I'll get a new ticket for that.
Sure, I can arrange it here for you.
Thanks. I really appreciate your help.
No problem. Safe travels. Hi, I'm looking for sports shoes.
Sure. Do you need them for running, gym, or casual wear?
Mostly for running. Something light and comfortable.
Got it. We have this new lightweight pair with extra cushioning. Want to try it?
Yes, please. Do you have size 6?
Yes, here it is. Try them on.
Wow, these feel really comfortable.
They're also durable and good for long runs.
Nice. Do you have other colors?
Yes, we have black, white, and blue.
I like the blue ones. How much are they?
They're $65, and today there's a 10% discount.
That's perfect. I'll take them.
Great choice. I'll pack them for you. Hi, I need to pay a parking fine.
Oh, unlucky day. Can I see your ticket?
Yeah, here it is.
50 pounds. That's your lesson fee today.
Ouch, that's expensive tuition.
Well, the parking signs were free to read.
True. I'll pay by card.
Good choice. Just tap it here.
Done. Please tell me it worked.
Yes, you're officially free. Here's your receipt.
Great. I'll never park there again.
Good idea. Next time, spend 50 pounds on dinner, not a fine.
Deal.
I don't feel good today.
Oh no, what's wrong?
My head hurts, and I feel so weak.
Did you take any medicine?
Not yet. I was too tired to get up.
Don't worry, I'll get it for you.
Thanks. You're so kind.
Do you want water or juice with the medicine?
Just water, please.
All right, here you go. Take this and rest.
Thank you. You're really taking care of me.
Of course, your health comes first. Just relax. I'll stay with you. Hello, welcome to City Bites. What would you like today?
Hi, I'll get a chicken sandwich with fries.
Sure thing. Do you want small, medium, or large fries?
Let's go with large.
Got it. Would you like to add a drink?
Yes. What drinks do you serve?
We have soda, iced tea, lemonade, and bottled water.
I'll take an iced tea, please.
No problem. Is this order for here or takeout?
Takeout, please. I'll eat at home later.
All right. Your total comes to $7.90.
Here's my card.
Thanks. Your order number is 23. It'll be ready in about 10 minutes. Hello. Are you here to register for a class?
Yes, I want to improve my English.
Wonderful. What's your full name?
It's Sophia.
Welcome, Sophia. Do you know your current level?
Not really. I can talk a little, but I make many grammar mistakes.
No worries. In that case, the starter group will be perfect for you.
What do students do in that group?
You'll practice conversations, learn useful words, and build confidence step by step.
Sounds great. When are the lessons?
Tuesday and Thursday evenings from 6:30 to 8.
That time works for me. Do I need to buy any materials?
Just one book. I can arrange it for you.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're all set. Welcome aboard, Sophia. Welcome to our gift shop. Just browsing, or do you already have something in mind?
I need a present for my friend's birthday.
Nice. We've got handmade candles, local crafts, photo frames, and jewelry.
These candles smell amazing. How much?
They're $10 each, or 3 for $25.
Great. I'll take 3. Do you also sell postcards?
Yes, they're $2 each. Many people like to send them home.
I'll grab 2 postcards as well.
Would you like to see our bracelets? They're light and very popular.
Okay, I'll take 1 bracelet.
Perfect. Anything else? Maybe a fridge magnet?
No thanks, that's enough.
All right, let me add it up. 3 candles, 2 postcards, and 1 bracelet. That comes to $33.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'm sure your friend will love these gifts. Hi, can I talk to you for a moment?
Sure, what's going on?
It's about your dog. He barks a lot during the night.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize it was that bad.
Yeah, it usually starts around midnight, and it keeps us awake.
I understand. He gets nervous when people pass by the house.
I get that, but the noise makes it hard to sleep.
You're right. Thanks for letting me know directly.
Of course. I just wanted to mention it politely.
I appreciate that. I'll bring him inside at night so it's quieter.
That would make a big difference.
I'll also look into some training classes.
That sounds like a good idea. Thanks for being considerate.